Anyway, guys, it is said party yaphela kanjalo uthando nesithembu season 8 without Musamsaleko introducing uSamke to his other wives, Umayeni Makhumalo as well as Mangwabe. Guys, as a former Cele, we know that they do have a great relationship even in real time. Umakwela and Macele, they did spend a Good Friday together. They were cooking, so you can see what they do have a great relationship. Let's hope for season 9. One thing about Macele, guys, let's hope they will still have a great relationship. So guys, uSamke, she's currently posting lapana ku Instagram yakhe in real time. So now the show has ended. Now she's revealing a lot of stuff. So this is what uSamke posted on her Instagram account. Kube ngiwasephesheya ngabe ngiphosta isithombe siveza ibele nengane incela manje kuse South. Again, she did post a picture with her beautiful baby boy. Congratulations to Musamsaleko and wife number 5. They welcome their beautiful healthy baby in January, guys. So it is also say ukuthi uSamke, she's currently in Muzombe. So there's a possibility ukuthi Abu Makhumalo and Maye and Mangwabe, they already met uSamke, guys. We're just gonna find out on season 9, because one thing about them Seleko, guys, that they don't play in their content. They will never allow us to know the things that we're not supposed to know, so they will rather wait for season 9. We still remember Go Wife number 5, we had to wait for many years. I don't know how many years for us to know uSamke, guys. So anyway, guys, let's hopefully things will be better, guys. That's for Makhumalo. People are saying Musamsaleko is so unfair when it comes to Makhumalo. Makhumalo has done a lot. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Friday, please.